Hi, I'm Tom Walker.
And I'm Jen Leban, and I'm standing on a chair.
Welcome to the art room. We have one of the best spaces in the building where we get to create and innovate with your students. In 6th and 7th grade, they are on a 7-week rotation where they will cycle through the different UAs, and we work on a variety of different skills from 3D construction to basic drawing skills.
Yep. In 8th grade, we have art class for a full semester, and we also do a variety of 2D and 3D projects and just having fun in the art room, making stuff.
Making stuff, making fun, creating. Bye.
This is my regular classroom, the creative technology room. There's a lot of fun things going on. Our big news this year is that we won a Google Jamboard from the Education Foundation, and we're super excited to start using it in classes. We use all kinds of stuff in this class, different kinds of robotics and tech tools and equipment. We also study Google Apps and G Suite and how that can work for you, as well as some very beginner computer science coding curriculum. There's always a lot of things going on in class, lots of things to see, lots of things to do. Should be a really fun time. So, see you soon. Bye.
Hi, my name is Lynn Provost. I'm the Family Consumer Science teacher here at Sandburg Middle School. I teach 6th and 8th grade cooking and nutrition classes. This is my cooking lab. I'll spin you around. You can see that we have 6 different kitchens. Students cook together, they work in a lab group, we do a lot of teamwork building skills, and they clean up so your students know how to wash dishes, fold towels, cook and bake. We really emphasize kitchen safety, sanitation, and food allergies. This is the 7th grade sewing lab where 7th grade boys and girls learn how to sew. We do hand sewing and work on the electric sewing machines, as well as embroidery and all kinds of fun crafts. Students really love this class, and I look forward to seeing your students soon.
Hi, welcome to Industrial Technology. I'm Andrew Lim, the instructor. We're located in room 19 and 23. As you can see behind me, this is the CAD lab. We'll be using all these computers to work on drafting and designing projects, and then from there, let's take a walk by the 3D printers that we'll be using. Currently one is running. Students will get to use these from their AutoCAD drawings and 3D model their components. As I flip you around, we'll make our way into room 23. This is the shop, the lab, Woods Lab, Metals Lab. In all grade levels, we will work in here on our projects, and here are a few examples of the course's projects. These are 6th grades. Here's a desk plate with some 3D printed objects. 7th grade utilizes metalworking, and 8th grade, which concentrates in woodworking. Thank you. Have a good night.
Hi, I'm John Gaunt, and I teach music here at Sandburg. I teach 7th and 8th grade choir, 6th grade choir, 6th grade, 7th grade general music, and 8th grade guitar class. So choirs meet in the auditorium and here in the music room on the 2nd floor, room 205. The general music classes meet in this room, as well as the 8th grade guitar class. So this year we just got in a whole new collection of African drums that we've been using in our 6th grade and 7th grade general music classes. It's been a lot of fun. We've been using drum circles as a way to learn all about rhythm and culture from other countries. Here on the wall behind me, I have all these acoustic guitars that we use in 8th grade guitar class, and we have some electric guitars and amps as well. And in choir, we have the risers down on the stage, pianos, and we do all kinds of singing. We have a lot of great opportunities for students to be creative here at Sandburg. That's the name of the game in our arts classes. Be creative, express yourself, and be who you are. Thank you, and come in and visit sometime.
Hi, I'm Andrew Lim.
I'm Ed O'Connor.
And I'm Tom Walker. We are the 3 teachers here at Sandburg Middle School teaching Project Lead the Way. Project Lead the Way is a STEM-based class focusing in science, technology, engineering, and math. The main concept of Project Lead the Way is students are being prepared to solve real-world problems. We have 4 main classes that we offer here at Sandburg. They are
Design and modeling, we offer to 6th graders. It is a pre-engineering class. They learn to design, build, and construct all of their projects as a team and a group and work together to solve their problem. Their final project will be a toy or a game that they construct for a child with cerebral palsy. The second course in 6th grade for the second semester is Computer Science for Innovators and Makers. We use Microsoft MakeCode, and the kids learn not only to code but also to build machines that open and close, safes, and a feeder for our cat.
I teach flight and space, which will concentrate in the area of aeronautics, propulsion, and aircrafts. Through a semester, students will work in small groups and learn and create projects that will teach them through aviation and different forms of flight.
And our fourth class is App Creators. In App Creators, students are learning how to design their app, not only the design, the layout portion of their app, but also the coding that goes behind to create a game or an app that might help them solve a real world problem here at school. We're happy to have your students. We look forward to seeing them. Thank you.